Hello friends, my name is Rahul Chaudhary. Today we are going to do a basic Python program using the data type list where we are taking the user input and one key element, and we will be finding the key element is present in the list or not. So let's start. So here we have created a variable called colors, and we are taking the input from the user. All the element the user will enter that they want in the list, and each and every element should be separated by spaces. And then we have this function called split, and we are using this particular function in Python because uh, anything that user will gives as an input, it will considered as string. So if the user is providing multiple elements separated by spaces, then if we are not using this split function, then it will consider as a single string including the spaces. So if we are using that split function to divide or separate each element for using in the list. Okay, then in the line number 7 we have again created a variable called colors to find, and here we are taking that key element from the user which we have to search in the list. Okay, then from the line number 11 to 14 we have a if else, where we have uh, written that the color to find means the key element that we have to find in the list in colors. This sentence means this in is membership operator which is responsible for search an element is present on the list or not. So if my if statement is correct, then this print will execute, otherwise this print statement will be executed. So let's see what it's showing. It's showing enter a list of colors separated by spaces. So let's give some color: red, blue, white, black. So we have given red, blue, white, and black, each of them separated by a spaces. Let's press enter a color to check. Let's say blue. So blue is in the list. Our this print statement has executed because we have means our condition is true, so we have executed the if statement. If what if our statement is false? Let's see: red, blue, white, black. Let's press enter, and now we will give a color that we here we have to give a color that we have to find in the list, but we are giving a color which is not in the list. Then what will happen? Then our else statement should get executed. Let's see. So we will give orange. Orange is not in the list. Our this statement has been executed. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.